Full wave rectifier. What is the main usage of rectifier? It is an instrument to convert alternating current to direct current. Okay. In the full wave rectifier, in the just previous video, I discussed half wave rectifier. In the half wave rectifier, only one diode can be used. But in the full wave rectifier, here two diodes are used. Here two diodes are used. To look here now. Here this is the symbol of transformer now. This is the primary coil. This is the secondary coil. Primary coil is connected to the input. Input is called AC source. This is the symbol of AC source. Okay. Here Nana, here look here. First I discuss primary coil. Next this is the secondary coil is connected to the two diodes. Nana. Two diodes as shown in the figure. This is called center tap. Center tap. This is the transformer. Nana. C is called center tapping transformer. This is used of only to get the output is DC. That means center tap transformer is used to get the DC output. That means DC output means the output always in unidirection. Unidirection means single direction. I can explain in the last few minutes. I can explain once again center tap transformer. Nana. First to see here two diodes. Nana. One is D1, other one is D2. First I take positive half cycle. Nana. During the positive half cycle, Nana, first I take first case positive half cycle taken. Current always flow from higher potential to lower potential. That means this is the plus, this is the minus. Transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. So the current transferred from primary coil to secondary coil. Here plus Nana, plus here to here transfer, minus here to here transfer. Okay. Look here Nana. Here P is connected to positive. That means D1 acts as a forward bias. Okay. P is connected to high. Diode D2 to see here Nana. P is connected to negative. That means P is connected to low voltage. That bias is said to be a reverse bias. Generally, reverse bias current is minority charge carriers current. The current is very less, small current, minute current. So here D2 not conducts the current. That means not allow the current during the positive half cycle. Okay. Here D1 has a forward bias. So it allow the current. That means it conducts the current. So during the positive half cycle, D1 allow the current, D2 not allow the current. Here that means current allow moves here Here output is measured. Load resistance is nothing but to measure the output. Here to see here here this is here. Okay. Next I discuss during the negative half cycle. Look here Next I discuss during negative half cycle. Here negative half cycle. In the negative half cycle compared to positive half cycle, negative half cycle is the inverted. Inverted means in the diagram plus becomes what minus. Minus becomes what plus. Here primary coil to secondary coil transfer same phenomena. Here this is minus, this is what here plus. Here minus, here plus transfer. Here next to see here next to see here all of you look here. Next during the negative half cycle D1, the diode D1 here look here, P is connected to negative, so it acts as a reverse bias. Reverse bias means not allow the current to, not conducts the current to. Okay. D2 to see the D2 second diode, D2 P connected to positive, that means it acts as a forward bias. It allow the current. It allow the current. Okay. Here look here. Current yellow, 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 yellow. In the previous D1 also current in the direction. This is D1 direction. Just previous during positive half cycle. During negative half cycle to allow the D2. The D1 D2 direction is same direction, unidirection. Unidirection means that is the DC. Because of center tap transformer use here, this means this wire and this wire not connected. This is the symbol of electronics. This symbol meaning is this wire and this wire not connecting, not connecting. Here now look here, look here, look here. This is the output. Both the outputs are in the same direction. During the positive half cycle, this is the direction. During negative half cycle, this is the direction of output. So both the outputs in the same direction. That means unidirection. That means to get the output, to get the DC output, to get the DC output. That means we take AC. Finally, we get the DC output. Nana. Here, do you understand? Once again, I repeat simply. During positive half cycle, D1 allow the current, nana, D2 not allow the current. During the negative half cycle, D1 not allow the current, D2 allow the current. That means this is the graph diagram, nana. Look here once again. During the positive half cycle, I take, nana, here D1 allow the current. Okay. During the negative half cycle, D2 allow the current. Sir, why here right below, but in the output, both are in the unidirection. That means both are upper, nana. Okay, here also positive half cycle allow the D1, negative half cycle allow the D2, nana. That means here one cycle I take, two pulses we get. That means 100% of AC, nearly 100% of DC in the full wave rectifier. In the full wave rectifier, how many diodes are used? Two diodes are used. Here to determine efficiency of the rectifier. What is the efficiency of the rectifier? Basic definition: output DC power by input AC power. What is the efficiency of the full wave rectifier? Output DC power by input AC power. Here efficiency equal to they experimentally determine 0.812 RL by RF plus RL. To solve the problems, percentage will be there in multiplied by 100. ఎప్పుడైనా percentage పెడితే ఇంటూ ఎంత పెట్టాలి? 100 పెట్టుకోండి. అప్పుడు ఇంటూ 100 పెడితే ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? 81.2 అవుతుంది. 0.812 becomes 81.2. What is the formula for efficiency of full wave rectifier formula? 0.812 RL by RF plus RL. Here RF is internal resistance of the diode in a bias is forward bias. RL is nothing but the load resistance. Just plus concept eta. Efficiency of the half wave rectifier formula 0.406 RL by RF plus RL. Percentage into ఎంత పెట్టాలి? 100. Okay. For example, I take ideal diode, nana. Ideal diode in the forward bias, internal resistance becomes what, nana? 0. Okay. So here I substitute eta becomes 0.812 get, because RL what, nana? Cancel. Okay. For ideal diode, forward bias, internal resistance at 0. Reverse bias, internal resistance infinity. ఇప్పుడు దాని మీనింగ్ 100% of AC, it will be converted into 81.2% of DC, nana. Okay, this is the full wave rectifier, nana. That means 100% of AC will be converted into 81.2% of DC. అదే half wave rectifier లో 100% of AC will be input AC will be converted into 40.6% of output DC. Okay, what is the difference between half wave and full wave? Half wave rectifier we have used only single diode. Full wave rectifier we use two diodes, Nana. Two diodes. That's why here more output power is developed. And again, according to graph, here to here, this is called what? One cycle. Here how many pulses? One pulse, two pulses. That means one cycle. One cycle of input to get the two pulses of output. Two pulses of output. Two cycles is four pulses. Three cycles is six pulses. Four cycles is eight pulses. But n cycles of input to get 2n pulses of output. 2n pulses of output. One cycle, how many pulses, Nana? Two pulses. N cycles, how many pulses, Nana? 2n pulses. 2n pulses. Okay? Here, this is the just, Nana. In the half wave rectifier, n cycles n pulses వస్తాయి నాన్న. అక్కడ నెగటివ్ హాఫ్ సైకిల్ డస్ నాట్ ఎలో నాన్న. ఇయర్ మాత్రం పాజిటివ్ హాఫ్ సైకిల్ ఎలో D1, నెగటివ్ హాఫ్ సైకిల్ ఎలో D2. ఓకే, both are output is unidirectional, so we get DC output nana. Okay. Next I discuss next rectifier is only for the purpose of objective. I discuss bridge rectifier. In the bridge rectifier is have four diodes are used. How many diodes nana? Four diodes. To see the diagram nana, D1, D2, D3, D4 used. Okay. Here nana, first D1, D2, D3, D4, four diodes are used. Output is measured at load resistor. Output is measured at RL, load resistor. What is the use of load resistor? To measure the output voltage. Okay. Here nana, look here once again. Here, first I take during positive half cycle. Positive half cycle I take input. Positive half cycle I take. Current always flow from higher potential to lower potential. That means T1 connected to plus, T2 automatically connected to minus. Because positive half cycle means current flow higher to lower. This is the plus, this is the minus. Okay. Here it will be continue plus. Here plus nana. Here automatically here I take minus. Okay. Look here nana. Here Pn according to symbol of diode Pn. Look here nana. Here D1 P is connected to high, and its meaning is diode D1 is forward bias, D4 is reverse bias, because N is connected to high positive. That means D4 is the reverse bias, D1 is the forward bias. Okay. Reverse bias means it will be removed. That means it does not work. It does not allow the current, so it will be removed. Okay. Next one. Here, look here. This is the minus. P is connected to negative. That means D2 also acts as a reverse bias. So it also remove. Okay. Next again. D3, to see D3. N is connected to negative, so this is forward bias. That means during the positive half cycle, D1, D3 is the forward bias, D4, D2 acts as a reverse bias, so it will be removed. Okay, look here this diagram. During positive half cycle, this is D1, this is D3. D2, D4 acts as a reverse bias, it will be removed. Okay. This is the plus nano, positive half cycle. This is what here? Minus. Okay. Here nana, this is the forward bias, Pn. Okay. That means current conducts here. current flows plus to minus. Okay, this is the direction of current in the forward bias. That means during the positive half cycle, in the 4 diodes, 2 diodes are working, 2 diodes are not working. Here D1, D3 working, D2, D4 not working. Why D2, D4 not working? That 2 diodes are reverse bias. Okay, next Nana. Here I take during negative half cycle. During negative half cycle means Nana, here plus becomes what here? Minus becomes what here? Plus. Here look here, it will be transfer minus, it will be transfer plus. Look here once again diagram. Here N is connected to negative, that means D4 acts as a forward bias, P is connected to negative, D1 acts as a reverse bias. So here in this case D1 remove. Okay, next here then N is connected to high, this is reverse bias, D3 will be removed. P is connected to positive, D2 is the forward bias. During negative half cycle, D4, D2 acts as a forward bias, D1, D3 acts as a reverse bias. So that's why these two will be removed. To see the diagram here. Okay? According to question, this is what during negative half cycle plus, here what? Minus. Look here now. This is called what Nana? D3. D2. In the negative half cycle, which is reverse bias Nana? Which is reverse bias? D1, D3 are reverse bias. D2, D4 are forward bias. Here D2, here D4 is remain. Okay, current always flow from plus to minus. Here plus to start. This diode yellow, resistance yellow. Here. Now look here, this direction of current here, this direction during the negative half cycle. Look here Nana, during positive half cycle direction also here. Both are in unidirection, that means to get output is DC. That means here also AC will be converted to DC Nana, but here how many diodes are used? 4 PN junction diodes are used. Okay, during the positive half cycle, D1, D3 forward bias, that means D1, D3 working. During negative half cycle, D2, D4 working, output, both the outputs are in the unidirection. That's why here 100% of AC, approximately it will be converted into 81.2% of DC Nana. That means this is the efficiency for all diodes are ideal diodes. Nana, just previous topic also, 100% of AC will be converted into 81.2% of DC. That is called full wave rectifier. So bridge rectifier also called as full wave rectifier, but here 4 diodes are used. Okay? Okay, Nana. Okay. Next video I discuss some problems.